if you believe that God is one,
Mm-hmm.
then there's no matter which religion you are
Exactly.
living with.
No, I agree with you. 100%. Definitely. Mm-hmm.
Yes, there might be different names of God, different shapes of God,
Yeah.
different faces of God,
Mm-hmm.
but God is only one, right?
Exactly.
You worship God in your way, I
Yeah.
worship God in my way. But
Exactly.
the final result
It's
should
the
be the
same.
same, which
Exactly.
is called peace. You are a Christian.
I am a Christian, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good, good. So how do
Mm-hmm.
you manage your religion there?
To
Or
be
you
honest,
you
I've
just
never been a sort of person that goes to church and I pray at church. I never have. I haven't been brought up that way. I can pray at home and I respect my religion by myself. That is how I have
Mhm.
always dealt with it. So it doesn't affect me at all here. The difference is it doesn't affect me.
Okay, okay, it's good, it's good.
Mhm.
And by the way, I would say that when you leave your place
Mhm.
to live another place, in
Mhm.
this condition, you have to live your life according to that place that you choose to live,
Okay.
right? But in terms of religion, you
Mhm.
are kind of free to
Mhm.
deal with or not,
Of course, yeah. I agree with you. Mhm. There
because
are other religions here.
yes, because I've seen that when a Christian lives between
Mhm.
Buddhist
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Jainism.
Uh-huh.
So when they go outside, they perform like they are Buddhist. But when they
Okay.
are at home, they are at home, they also worship their religion. They also
Uh-huh. Yeah.
follow their religion.
Yes. Mhm.
Yes. So it happens that you have to deal with the society around you
Of
wherever
course.
you are.
Mhm.
Yes. Or
Yeah.
for example, if you change, you make a sudden plan that now I should move to India, and
Mhm.
if you come here, of course, naturally you will be you will be starting to follow here
Mhm.
the
Yeah.
the local religion, I mean,
Uh-huh.
right?
Okay.
So it
But it's
happens, but
probably because it's part of the culture also. It's like you say, it's in with the people, so naturally you would just start being like them. Mhm.
yes, it happens. And you know one thing, when not when I mean there is advantage and disadvantage with every religion.
Of course there is, yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yes, and it happens only when you belong to another religion,
Uh-huh.
right? But I would also say that if you believe that God is one,
Mhm.
then there's no matter which religion you are
Exactly.
living with.
No, I agree with you. 100%. Definitely. Mhm.
Yes, there might be different names of God, different shapes of God,
Yeah.
different faces of God,
Mhm.
but God is only one, right?
Exactly.
You worship God in your way, I
Yeah.
worship God in my way.
Exactly.
But the final result should
It's
be
the
the
same.
same, which
Exactly.
is called peace, right?
Exactly.
Okay, and suddenly something came in my mind, and
Uh-huh.
I want to say that I am connected with an international peace speaker. His name is
Uh-huh.
Prem Rawat. Okay,
Mhm.
Prem Rawat. Okay, wait a sec. I'm writing. Okay, I did it. So
Premwawan.
his name is
Okay,
Prem
yeah.
Rawat, and I highly recommend you to search for him. Okay,
Mhm.
uh, make a research about him, and
Okay.
he talks about the peace, the real peace which exists within every single human.
Mhm.
Okay, no matter which religion you belong to,
Uh-huh.
the first thing is that you are a human being,
Yeah.
and the first religion which comes in front of us is humanity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yes. So, and there is a thirst inside of every single human, and we came on this earth to feel that thirst, or you can
Uh-huh.
say yes, or you can say to kill that thirst by peace, and the
Mhm.
peace exists within you.
Yeah.
So when you experience that peace, you will feel that now you are full. Now
Uh-huh.
you are completed.
Okay. Wow.
Okay. Yes. So I will highly recommend you, and I highly recommend you to make a research about him,
Mhm.
and must um, must listen to him. His
Mhm.
video you will get on websites. His name is
Yeah.
Prem Rawat, and there is an application too in
Okay.
the name of Timeless Today app.
Mhm.
Timeless Today app. Okay,
Yeah.
you can install it, and his words will definitely gonna touch you,
Yeah. Mhm.
and then you will feel that this is the real Georgina.
Oh, okay.
Then you will feel.
Yeah. Thank you so much for that.
Yes,
Very
and
interesting.
yes, it is something. Though we have everyone, though everyone does everything for your
Mhm.
life, for your profession, for your living,
Yeah.
but something, the real thirst, uh, that we are finding something outside to fulfill ourselves.
Mhm.
Okay, but until you meet with that peace which exists within you,
Mhm.
you will never feel yourself full until you
Okay.
meet with. Yes. So I would say that must listen to him, must watch him,
Mhm. Mhm.
and you will feel an amazing change in yourself, I would say.
Wow.
And you are the second tutor. I'm talking about him.
Okay.
And
Right. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, I am very open-minded. I do like learning new things, new ways to find, myself, different things,
you
different
know, George,
perspectives, opinions.
yeah, right. You know, Georgina,
Mhm.
uh, there's a time comes in every single person's life when he or she thinks that there is nothing or good thing for me or for her.
Mhm. Mhm.
They think, okay.
Yeah.
So in this kind of situation, when you feel depressed,
Uh-huh.
when you are under depression,
Mhm.
there is something which you can experience to fulfill your life.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I believe
By the way,
that. That's
we have just few seconds.
No, I know time goes so quickly.
Yes,
Thank you so
and
much for that. I will definitely look into it.
thank you so much. And
It was lovely
if you
meeting
get
you.
any problem, if you get any
Mhm.
problem, you can also write me on my Insta,
Okay.
experience with Anuj. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice
Bye
day.
bye.
Bye.